Holly has 5 and 5/8 cups of flour, and she needs 2 and 5/8 cups of flour to make a batch of cookies. So how many batches of cookies could she make? So we're going to be dividing. I have 5 and 5/8 divided by 2 and 5/8. I'm going to turn those into improper fractions by multiplying and adding. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 5 is 45 over 8. And then I have 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 5 is going to be 21 over 8. I'm going to keep, change, and flip. I'll write over here. So I have 45 over 8 stays the same. Change the division to multiplication. Flip my second fraction over. I do see some common factors, so I can simplify. 8 and 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. I would end up with 45 over 21, which actually also has another common factor. I can divide out a 3 out of both of those. And so dividing out a 3, I have 15 over 7. That is improper, so I'm going to pull that over to a division house. 7 goes into 15 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. Subtract, I'm going to get, oops, sorry, it can go into it 2 times. That's going to go 14. Subtract, I'm going to get 1. I have 2. That 1 is going to be the numerator of my fraction. The 7 is going to continue to be the denominator. She can make 2 and 1/7 batches of cookies.